How to turn off keyboard sound on a Samsung phone. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you're using the standard Samsung keyboard, then you want to open up your settings. Now you want to tap on sounds and vibration, then select system sound. Here, toggle off the option of Samsung keyboard. After that is done, the keyboard sounds will be turned off. However, if you are not using the standard Samsung keyboard, then you want to open up the keyboard you are using. In my case, it is the Gboard, which is Google keyboard. Now you want to tap on this gear icon over here. Open up the settings of the keyboard that you are using. Now you want to tap on preferences. Here you have the option of sound on key press. Simply toggle this option off, and in this way you can turn off the keyboard sounds on Samsung phone. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.